Hello friends, my name is Hardik. I am studying in second class now. I am telling abacus.
Okay, ready?
Yes.
21 1 1
3,
1 1 5.
7,
Okay, correct. 1 5 1
7,
2 5 2.
9,
Right. 2 2 5
9,
2 2 5.
9.
Okay, 2 5 1.
Right.
Huh?
Right.
5 1 1.
7. Not possible.
5 1 1.
7.